maa ngi yëngu si yëfi modeling.
képp ki nga xam ne am na foo toj rek dañ la invite fii si Voice Out Digital nga wax ñu foo toj.
artistes yi ak yéen designers yi foog ma dugal leen si tuuti parce que yéen.
fi toj nag du sëw bu ndaw.
like dooree am time pour sa boppa obvious góor bu am patient rek moo mun a.
yaa fi toj.
asalaamaaleykum maa ngi nuyu ku nekk sa tur ak sa sant man la seen xarit seen doom Ndeye Tida DK Badji di Jola model comme nuñ ko dee defee rek fii si programme yaa fi toj wax naa leen ne yaa fi toj du soobu ndaw yaa fi toj nag ku nekk xëj na si képp ki nga xam ne am nga foo toj rek dinañ la invite fii si Voice Out Digital nga wax ñu foo toj wala nga wax ñi seetaan foo toj wax ñëpp foo toj xanaa loolu neex na tey nag maa ngi fi am gan boo xam ne mooy loolu gan bi he is very young boy la boy bu ndaw la last week moo fi toj moo tax it tey ñu invite ko si yaa fi toj bi ST Creation la suñu waxee ST na ñeneen dañu fa ne ST woykat waaye am nañ ST Creation am nañ ST designer designer boo xam ne mu ngi toj dëkk bi di ñaw loolu last week demoon nañ si événement bi gis nañ yaayam foofu gis nañ fa famille bi gis nañ mbokkaam yi gis nañ ñëpp daal te nag soose laay laaka xam naa ne di ngeen waaru waaw dégg naa soose tamit because suma papa soose ko yar te waaye loolu leen téléphone da ngeen xam ne mooy loolu fii yaa fi toj la dañuy jaxas baxas rek ñu dem asalaamaaleykum ST ngay kontaan.
waaleykum salaam de kontaan naa.
welcome to the yaa fi toj comme yaalong yaa fi toj mu mi yaalong ko nka youth solle kumande mo mi yaalong ko ebe do ko kan Gambia kono comme amanke any lazy person doron ke kumande yaa fi toj hani dan yaa mo yaa toj doron nke invite ni ma toj nak mbuke invite yalla to yaa toj la last ko la nang invite mol jibe camera kono ye mol konto ila fan sol min be jibe kan
assalamu alaikum balbe kontona alto wanal kontona salla kila ni mama sallallahu alaihi wasallam de tentula ba jayla ba fola mobe ko kon enani tocci
man li la buga gan bi wax toj bi rek mama si deni ante dafto waaw mu ne loolu la gis moo tax moo ko it's a more for demanding about you Jumalem eteti Jumalem ST Creation team.
Oh, ST Creation. Gambian Ola. Top from Serin Turelti.
Serin Turel.
Yeah, that's my name is Serin. On Turel. Mukaralati. Nata ke Amandan Karo Damana. But I'm an Arabic student before.
Oh, that's nice.
I have my graduation certificate.
Okay.
On Arabic afterzi. Not Karoge. But Karolo Nyam can jig Telenake. Just like Karolo from ST Creation is a family. I mean, Nasu family level. Minketembama from my mom. Another King Kutomati. From another Karolo Saturday. So for me, it's a family thing. It's like for me, we later.
Yeah, Nikki Yake. How long le even your business okono?
From 2008 to today, almost 13 years.
Wow.
13 years.
Oh, me tell lady.
Sure.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Seriously? Ndoko male. Wow, that's nice. Saying, you Karolo start nyadi.
Oh, Karolo. Na start na school kana.
Okay.
Na sopo mbije ba sopo. Na brother start world. Fasila indana ta Karolo la eleje kote. So nte Karolo ni kate from A to Z.
Okay.
So na ni kate for this last Ramadan no. May. Moved from Farata to Bakote.
Okay.
That I'm concerned supposed to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. Ngajira ko last week e program on soto. Ntol bijele no. VOD nga full video nyimbele cover because ibola ile mol contact la friend wole mol contact ako nyiko na boy dolan he's very young and then I am soto come I could but male for ela side you understand ako nyiko I support needle ako nya anu ate fanang be mako kan alafta ko support leke because ayalo ne ko ite mudindi ngol ese fendo choose no ko be nyin nekela but ibe do ko kan ya believe le comme Gambie jang ite va make la so munati na inata wo idea to program organize because ntol be ngalo ne ko designer comme karalla most of them ibukanyu organize ibukanyu star because rexlem do hani ye client soto ye fans soto but ika silale munana ye wo fit soto pour que ñim programme si fa organize and we nata ke kairawati
okay pour que soto kairawa like fashion designer mba ko mala fatara je rek danko doro rafa fatara je fana nafa na modol fana hamin nafa je so ulat na like imba ko mi yalan ko Pukendo Dronanko, Nisa Post no Italian control the market. So for this since 2013, I had this on my mind to have my own show. But Alan Arakid in the 2020 since 2013, like almost 7 years. So another happened, but Aqualiatal.
Kangalo na Aqualiatale, sa funo moli demanding alka Aqualia min face because dol bengalo ne first event abuka easy. Because inyanta ka sponsor sotola like you alone cannot do that ibe sponsor sotola family be makoyla mol be makoyla nafta ye mol fo demandi minu ma jibe kam pour ya long alka kolya min sotoje
Aqualiata because why Aqualiata Smiling Coast organize the stick creation na organize me along ko 4 or 5 designer be participate ka all participation is free amanke joro
wow
so min kete jabe still arrest
okay
yalo dama am risk le so min ne call wala indoli am call ko be join na slow de ni in ka jello nga fa no is free ko say mo de la ji on no I will take the risk
wow
so all the models and artists and dal mi happen taji intela beres why not free ndi a chance to pour kaket do ma chance to maybe na charge pour na join je pour talent showcase about this top lot but ka sama na free will be easy la ka fa kodo bondi
because Gambia no lafta free la bake ndele ngaf lafta free la bake
but free man ko yamoy
mo to nyaale kan cibbi ci baron free
ya je tefane holo so free la
oh
Kairaba
ya di free
yeah wala nan fana manga ni so ka modo charge
so muna na yake Kairaba muna na yake Kairaba choose
Kairaba like Carol Sierra Yusula Kairaba for in the choose
wala na ide bana yake yo wodi ya tele
hedi lebe credit so la wada like general manager in Asha because I tell you free
sounds nata ngaje ko ye Ziza Dundi ila programme to mona ne Ziza choose out of all designers in Gambia
no for designing mammo bulaje mammo tuje like na mo be choose but me dan ko wole not
okay
choose everyone like any big designer in Gambia I don't have bad man on you so this is Gambia the client mo be satisfied na it different client mo be satisfied na so it's a one family Gambia killing so kabirna so this is my first show my enough experience about like
fashion
night or shiva so kabirna intention so because so organize first thing na minke wala na fashion designer le contact million am ko ne jaxaje so kabirna contact ala nage Ziza
ye contact nyadi ye send email wala ye text le or ye voicemail le king
I called some
okay
I text some so before why Manta Dolia before because in 2013 14 na plan un program magazine dira ni alan ko na bedro everything so ndara doli ya wise naje ko ma support nyai kan dina so ite murude ya kote ra ko flo sanga ko mi last time nin doing photographer doing your sabo sura kon event so ma fay ga event nim photo shoot jumale sem mo sura akon event ka how many time kana photo shoot ndeya ka reject because we can charge men so ni nata event ben charge men so nda hayla kanaji
so
akon no wonte bayde mun dogo maldi kay no imagine photo shoot me dogo maldi how about event so wala na man that's the only reason sure but now while I'm at still so but kabin na design come like la fa ko solo sa ko I need your help okay but mbela flaka mo ifon dala fa so binala ndara na fa mbi istela ko okay I'm ready to help you and I'll help you so ko nyembe min kele wala backstage ni modelo about the training anything you tell about the wrestler and no I kele I funyami I min la fa camera fentala
ngajele
so ziza baraka bage
thank you Ziza Ziza mulbe Ziza lo ne fona ñun ñep xam nañ Ziza ci fashion industry bi
yeah mulbe palon dal because of hanga alaka mojo
ntol be ngalo ne Ziza a travel tele Ziza amul deka bu mu dugul Ziza ñun di bu ñu commencé ñun mom lañ xam
surprise DJ ay naka travel kata I think Denmark but kabrina so ay ñi nga kay 25 okay then February lo men ticket sa
wow
so I because of naso and man kinin ka joro
lol de neena Ziza yore ya fi toj zi toj nga fi zi yo fo ñu ndal la ci ya fi toj
yalla rek la gom
waaw Ziza dafa gom yalla mom Baye Fall ñom ñun ñep xam nañ ñu gom yalla rek la ñuy gom waaye Ziza ya fi toj Ziza na la aussi si ya fi toj bi Ziza ndeysaan nga sa tukki bi nga cancel ko yépp pour dimbale ST xam naa loolu neex na Ziza te dega tamit adiatale projet dindi ngoje mi yalonko abe kuke kan ya support it's nice comme bi rek ni fundita dindi ngoje amon sa moto du yesa moto sanga hanni tata fon ika happele because ika lo ne ko comme ye fenneke so Ziza ameta ko ke molbe ye wolonne sa lofta pour demanding for money ko kabrin be ñing organize kan with the models, do you have any problem with them?
For the models, no.
Okay.
Because them problem karaje, I make a bontela side. Ole nin so bantam nejo, man nejo. But from now maybe jole for that's the killing.
Okay.
Why majo ajamfata la berda ko nyebia bina supporter.
Okay.
Because he's all the way from Sifo.
Okay.
So ajamfata na.
Ajamfata la.
All this 19 models all.
Yeah, video.
They just tell all the artists. They like artists all the old visual man charge. Like oh boy. Have an Empire team. This have moment charge. Because Nico charge you charge for the meal and kala mona but don't put on price for charge. So on all the artists I have there for free.
Because artists only Jamal interview and they were like ite ye guy ma koile back since when they are starting. So in other Julio oh that's nice because I girl interview and then nearby my interview dengan ko gis si break bi ñen won fu yaayam don way xam nga lu gëna ne nga xewle sa yaay jay la lambi ñew tok di sétane sa so bi lolu dafa ne lolu dafa guddi won mané ay ndey kumba yeb la fa don gis ñoo xamne dañu tiyé sen doomi ñew tek sétane ki 22 years ta am mënon nañu wone xala ñu bari ba next time ñu dem but ñew ne ñu ñew sétane ci ñu jappalé la xam nga lolu la ne ila family mol bele nata because ibe ñu ndet kapero nga gal be interview le that's so nice nata nga kebal DJ Mia Lonko Fang like I was surprised like will be nata
sorry I have my uncle my name
sorry baby je ilato ma bije le nu
c'est Omar la njuro
ibe si je for like programme banta I know but yeto na din jenyadi le because this is your first event
surprised because mol min naté dankuma like na appreciate bagal like mostly min na ratri ko da be family tiyo so all family blaje na to soni ate so it is very interesting to me even still now some are bringing their petrols
Wow.
Just today.
Ni pare nga ko do nyintala.
So hanga naje ko like memi keka yola kanu telefona ya rotalla bula ne yen support wa karola dol man nano still even call kan dol bije ni en call wa kamalle but I understand ne ko mi ibela bismina pour na soñi attend yeah but mo man na fana mamu ta kula nak
okay bita short break la nga muru nang comme nuñ ko de defé rek fi ci ya fi toj bi xam ngeen suñu waxtane gaay fokk ñu bay gaay ñu naan tuuti ñu déssé ko yeen fi ñu dem bita short break.
It can sometimes be frustrating waiting in long queues at the banks just to receive your money transfer. But at the APS branches, you can receive your money within minutes because we know that money is sent for a reason. Collect your money transfer from any APS-owned branch nationwide. Our branches provide you
convenience.
No long queues at our branches compared to the banks, allowing our customers to instantly receive their money.
Faster payment.
We give all our customers individual, undivided attention and faster payment processing.
Instant service.
You have less waiting time to be served because we know that for you and your beneficiary, time is of essence.
Friendly service.
We offer unparalleled customer service, experience, and support. All APS branches are conveniently located and provides you a happy, comfortable, and friendly service with a smile.
Contact us on our UK office number +44 121 643 3003 or our Gambia office number +220 249 6733 or 399 52264. Or you can send us email info@apsinternational.com, or better still, visit our website on www.apsinternational.com.
APS Money Transfer. You approve, we serve.
Okay, welcome back. Bete ñu ngi ci Yafi Toj bi comme ni ma ko waxee rek Yafi Toj du soobu ndaw Yafi Toj nekk na soo boo xam ne képp ki nga xam ne am na photo rek dinañ la invite fii ci Voice Out Digital nga wax ñu photo xanaa loolu nee na moo taxit nag tey ñu jàkkaarloo ST Creation mu nekk xale bu ndaw boo xam ne mu ngi toj di kaw te wax naa ne ku toj rek la ñu ànd fii ku fi tojut du fi ñëw ST gis nañ ñu ñëwoon ci show bi xaaf bi yëpp yaa leen solal and I'm like wow comme kii lu mu spend moo ëppa because artist bu ñëw rek yow li nga so nice tadi yeah this from my dude noonu lañ ko dee waxee ma ne waaye ndool ma ST waaw mu solal ma lii nu mu fa demee ni mool bee naata mool bee everybody and ngeen lan logo je mu naa nekk ñun logo ki ci ñun brand new
yeah like pour ni aje kana yin karo go jumala akar
but for ika mol nyinin kale ngakeje o momo na karalo e kakeje
no mo le kadi man kakeje mange ko momo na some like don't like but most of the three-quarter of them kadi man ne makeje wasenda na kakeje.
Wow, that's nice. So momo nyinje dorong abalon nako etele yakara.
Yeah.
Okay, right now ibe stop jelle manikan bitik jelu.
For now we have two shops. The one at Faraso and the other one at Pakode Pantava. And we have some in advance. Premium platform, like tailoring school.
Wow.
And like textile work, I mean, by work. So these are the two shops we are planning in advance to happen.
Okay. Momo la vita kaboka nyin tailoring school nyin fa kam abe munekela.
For now, just a concept,
okay.
Sure.
Then to mole soto jam video di mi yalon kon lafta gali karaluno comme dol bi den sun ko do bi jan camera babu but yet still
what's the surprise? First time karalo mo ka barala like ni ke mo samara karla kolia like defon first time mo le
iba ma yoro fo ako iba ma ya fo ko anu mo wa bondila ako wota mo na ko ita ka fo no na batata ako wuya sa mo to ta ta kalaro
but sai like mo le kadima ya bi janin kana jom nyanda kana jom fable but late mo le batna fo breaker ma na hotel solo aka fama kala fa sokole yela pour terrorism ka fana ka kana to pour na advice o kenyala so na da fa ko batna fa ka ni ke nan ka maybe for now be late la but you can still just have a tailor ni experience or kalo on isake no so na ka so na je mo jamal le kana nan ke jama balle kana like boys all so to kara fe ke ba fa ka fe karala
ha because ya jele ko kodolem anu Gambia no sign mul man lazy what time mul because sankata do ko wala but sign ni moje it is 22 like it is 22 you are doing this what of me 35 soto ibe kila one of the mafola nyadi ya ibe ngadi dandi galbe chatula yalon chat so be pele why this is very nice ye ni soto ikado ko okay yalon isa fono iboto ngata baguela wala iboto ngasi nga kampe
o matter optional
ha wala ngasi nga kampe ke wala ngasi nga ataya mi ngasi nga nyinke but ite ni ne choose comme ibe ni ne kala anu ya briefly comme Gambia jang iwa mikla
so why not like sign them member dollar ka member solo ka sembola we are big Gambia jang and ta Europe like the owner of Take Your Petrol Station
okay
is the one like sponsoring me and everything
atoni
Ibrahima Toure.
Okay.
Well, big Gambia Jana, so he's one of our near 100 million naira for the Gambia you will part of it.
Yeah.
So no also the Yaman fit the banco matter. Why not me? So hanga. And the mole kabana Europe, Ikanaja, Ikame, Ikaradan, Mole Kabaji, Kanaja, any control anyone more Kanaja can't. So why not you? Like time I want a solution, cut solution. Yeah.
Sign ibuka any problem sort of with mola bayol mola karalo yalon dol a difficult pour ye dafa metti to pour ngalende nyawala harabi malaka ko ci olo muna set because amna ño xamne comme tay di nga gis tida mo sol style bi ma def ko photoshoot anen nga ñoo nga ne est dama bëgg nga ñëwal ma li exactly but sun form bi yeb du bena anen yo soko ñawé mu ñoo gis ne ko bena mu sol ko du nekk ben ansa est yalla ma ñu foye fo e ko problem ci fan soto
yeah with a promotion si wala big face jere but like I tell you ba male la ñami ko meme foten like carry you ko la save
you know mo vinto save
or some like pencil okay so it go like nyadu akeda bal nyami defani adu ay kebalo nyam so abe difficult la back like once of my customer ataya akala karala bulal ako because of my bula kuno la bawo ka first time akabeti ko samon beria ako fefran in a label ka ko sai tela save the any parents karaoke
really
yeah yeah so it will gonna be very very difficult about that for that being the case yeah it will encourage my killing so when mean do I am mutanya mutano like movie for this style also to really jump the style now this style ko mo ya kara mutanya relevant to turo kara
san salo mo be yaron ne ka atol tami saloti atol karalla because an kalon ne ko fa albulo fatale de but yet still mo monata na sallu ne ko ba karanola ba karanola
one thing my friend you know what
aka Kenya dile
you know salo ni wala kaki customer la kaki Iri alango salo sida one month benati email was on labor for last 2 weeks or 1 week they like now that's like 2 or 3 weeks I stopped but kat labon min da ka ko amata rek han salo sa mo saka ko salo sa wonte may nakaras amuta jendoro rek ni chance re ba karale so ye first ya muta na on pare ite la kana fe ni ala ngita karo mun ne kawo sai ka wara faji mo kelo de ka muta do so every year I go face so it ka jibe rek like it mo
mam mo so do mi samba police karo ko
no no
okay deni ngal na bayuna
no pro samba police Osama na raso mo elo like a kampale paper
because nte fana ngakara lado soto ntai ni lugo lungai ko bilawla ngi bulale ako nyi do mo muna bayi yo man ma xamula jappa an to nyale ni nga bula sama don ka fa ngako tay rek la de so mo ñewale du mo ñewati bot yalon kala la ni mo de lol de all the same so nka kelele ngana ke kilinti ko donke but yet still ñu ci yafi toj bi ñu fi am ST Creation nekk xale bu ndaw nekk di liggéey ci dëkk bi comme nu ma leen ko waxee rek dafa toj moto ñu andi ko ci yafi toj bi su tojutoon du ma ko andi waaye dafa toj te last week toj na ñëpp ñëw nañ yaayam wax na gërëm ko famille bi yëpp wax nañ gërëm ko te fa naa loolu dafa nees si xol te am na part boo xam ne wax na ba jooy man suma boppa jooy naa mu naa may kumbuuta
For that being the case, like Ibrahim and Nibole, atele demin na manager banda afana post in media me an kana bordalo na ka effective share so I am call odelo na nyolo pour ka sadness ngin tala na keba so wakarol min play ka Ibrahim nada ma fa hana ma beta ba min tuja mansia so anytime even Ibrahim is so at look and brother ma because that's so I'm not telling you but the plan is from him since last year come back like man could also but sabla na kodo fufu donc don so e ga ko no kana kodo fu ara de Senegal jaralo ako nyabla ni kende ya ni na sina so jibe mbakal nyam sponsor ni ni prof sponsor ba satula so ala na kidi wala tenata pa so wato min nan tebita na kere wato min nan tejenta ka tanya to time wala ala na
punda
ko na mi fil den laftala ba ala fa laftala ka tamite so kure jembul dal so ala min fana ke wala ko be daw so min bije rek ko duwa rek abada min alma ala ya ala fa kero la
amin
ala ya so adira kallan kela ya to tawa tin fana ba ko ga ay fana so kero an hamen ko fana min tan tele no so yeah
I mean
because on that day na feel la friend ta taraje
anyanta
because ala friend sol ma betale
okay
ite momo la Ibrahima ma bereje for at times tol camera father phone tam is the creation
okay
yeah a lot of sacrifice that about is the creation so ni mo le menyen ko la fasita ate man na taraje you know that's very sad
to nyaama
so na ka be ko ni Ibrahima yo le ma
ikumbuta
yeah
digala esti lecce won na ko affaire Ibulay joina fofu be man suma bopa joina because dafa metti si hol kila neka di jappale tay be yo nga dem be hewle mom neku fa lolu dafa metti torop waye ba tay ñu ko ñaanal fum neka yal nako fofu ginal fi yal nako yalla yerem xare ko arjana ba tey ñu ngi fii si Yaafi Toj bi kana kumbo nak bi ba tey ñu ngi fii si Yaafi Toj bi lafta nun ka ko ibe advice mun ne dilla youth so la me alon ko ibe siri man tara fenna comme iba ya mire ko comme ita mek la jangambia
youth so mbeka katalati rek wala kuma yara yeah because hande fone modeling ko like dafa ne ñu cross de ko say youth sol man pare ka si kan santo like comme ma ko roll dust yeah because hande so far I have like 3 to 4 new models me alam ko connaît pas pour like on showcase adna chance de le prix for na
ni jele malon ko ima kabri aman comme dor nga wax mako sa way buma gisee ñu do xamna ne des new models
yeah some are new so never is that but this guy is not professional but you start first before you become professional so Japanese manga right
wow
okay no problem I will train them so I have to train them for some perfect technology yeah because though from the apprentice and I did hand sign matter as a staff but I was okay so I'm gonna see drop because since October but I think I go but for October on the 31st I not 31st like 20 something I go but for December okay no problem but for January no problem so I was say I did a message so modeling finance I when you left for modeling finance like your phone bije so I'm not chance ya na so min bijere golon jappale because ni enta fala ko jappale bagi amanke tele carrot because already like na mo sura men jappale but amanke kaya wasale yeah but still ina so da be ma but na mo sura mi ala ko ma ko kan yeah I don't know la ma ko appreciate bagale because I told her no ga bijere na ma ko fa mi ala ko asa no ma kije but like the other fala ma ko solve for the ma ko comme like why is different maso de nyaaw but like ñi kan do mandum mi yalan ko like pour mo la ñara talo ida na miro wala skills na mi ko ka fieje ya wala na nang idea so pour ka so ko yel training school yel mi yalan ko professional and it like terror yeah because come head ya fa nyame Gambia is like the Virgin country, sign a mobile group. So why mobile group? So now I'm not going to tell you that Chile. Yeah, more market. So the market okay because they are actual like the market okay because not so organizing the sign it's like 2 months. So 2 months you should have 6 to 7 different sponsors. So yalo an end of year and beginning of year at company can. So no base focus to put game market for you so succeed. So it would have na market barrier. So still a market okay can but yala fa others la karofana. Yeah. But for Nickel for the Katafana.
But it will fantasy like Moye Nana Akoyko Hinina. Alako, if I'm Dimalas of Madimalela.
Dimalas of coming for a
Gayangere, Mapito.
Like coming Estia from America, if I couldn't tell a codidilla for so if I couldn't tell a codidilla. So more baby will do when I take it figure.
Take if you want, they didn't
Jamala take feed outside. So Momo Coco direct. I try to get focus here, they come in like
you believe me sort of fun
like this is what I love one of my friends. Oh boy. Oh boy. I believe for a car make with you, without you. But what I want, make it. And now about making
Tonyalem told being overlone and home Tony. I believe me, believe so. Sure. But Munan my yin to the smiling coast runway.
Oh, smiling coast for some night. Because black mobile fangy.
Okay.
I can move it hard. When I say smiling coast, you know that word for it's not all. Gambia la smiling course for some night so for Gambia better and like smiling yeah more smile la comfort over and laughter like more happy so we'll not go smile more to like dress of the day to Carola smiling course for some night
we'll have no different smile to not pseudo being a smile pseudo being a smile sign we coming to the end of the show you so ngadiamu molialo but yalon time tije ito nyanta katakarala but then you couldn't muntuma leve even na takarala
intending media personality long artist because like media like a showcase molial so never planning kira level business so Fenkela Wafila. Like for advice to others, me okay, I understand what you like in acting like a dogo and it add short. Like be naming dunya me akana sana mniyo. When ni modo ya na akana bita old. So like as a media by every day me teleto. So even dunya to be offer no la casa. Ela karfana ma be di like atafentuleji. So for like more like a one time dia na ma ko like do jamuta fasita yeah
wodi ya talente yalon ya fito mol bele ka jibe andu nga fen du mol kan nyinin kala jumale nyin kan sometimes nga jealous le e kan na style ol sunya but no some because nde fanam be promotion na karala but nde bidala
why be jealous la
hani mol bele kala fi kan na style ol kala yalo mo fair
yalo na ma nyinya mota ka
so na da ne ko nyinya to wala na mo lafta kara but no problem na next episode mbe
style okay the moment along sama kan okay because I'm nyinya
mutonyalem ofana mutonyalem mbafule abaraka yela time ta inata jam sa momo lafta ke contact wala momo lafta ke ila support visit la min tolem
ST creation momo lafta contact is the number is asset nomina or on 3070 10 3070 Irena Farato near the river around Pilkama side Jambur highway just 500 meter and in Manotema or Labako Bantaba inside the petrol station. This is the only two places you can find ST creation.
Ila so if I can next year for Nindoran them iparetale.
This has to know for every 3-6 months Makela.
Seriously?
Yeah. Because like when in Potaji, Carolina Minata will be orchestra so I have the motor number 1, Tara number 2. So why is Akalafa wise can increase? So you know like Fenko the every year now sort of 2 or 1.
Okay. Munem ila final. Gal ko mul kana final fo but munem ila ibe kumo fala dame.
Fala dame wala mbal tentula. Battle phone chayla folo. Whilst alial cool bit je 25th January. Another couple maji kasi symbol na creation of intindi mole kam fanan nyandi fanto so malte la wala andi mabe la de bil nata je and sponsor al be and my mom and my dad and then sponsor al be bela flake told mention cotton like Pekol petrol station Kairaba and then Alaj Conte Dabanani yena Fortune FC solo wala Fortune petrol station yena tutorial SDA Trust property solo so an Instagram travel and tourist agency and Barakat creation Barakat creation France and in Demalal be too
mol be dal
and Ziza creation so mbela fla ko mol be content because la kata ko senata telen jabal because without them so in the keno and the ani management team on mi ala ko na uncle for bije ana do ko bije ka so kana start daily folta 6 days donc imagine I go run for kabra lora fana kabren cool dara fana jefe fana soto na be la mostly 10 no 11 so mi ala kela ekle mostly andara keba na so attend fana so uncle
Abaraka uncle Abaraka guy jërëjëf ñëw nañ ci the end of the show comme ni ma leen ko waxee rek fii si yaa fi toj ba tey ñu ngi toj ban daf tey caméra jibe yaa fi toj ba
yaa fi toj
est-ce moo fi toj moo tax ñu oo ko di leen naa jaajëfal yéen it bi bàyyi seen time di ñu seetaan all the time yaa fi toj bi si amul rek ñun ñu ko waaye wax naa ne yaa fi toj bi ñun leen fi nekk saa su ne saa yu leen bëggee yaa fi toj bi rek nañ leen ko andi xanaa soo leen bëggee effide sa ñu sut lu wax naa loolu neex na ñun li ngeen bëgg rek la ñuy def di leen naa wax jaajëfal team bi tamit depuis suba ba tey ñu ngi fi ñu ngi fi ñoom Moussa si Moussa rek laa ko dee commencé waaw mooy suma xarit moo tax bu mu tukkee tuuti ma feebar paa bi tamit di ko jaajëfal boo seetlu bi tam ba tey mu ngi fi xam naa go foon la ñu mujjee def mu ñibbi waaw boo seetlu bi ba tey mu ngi fi ñu def go foon xam naa suñu defee go foon moom paas bi su bëree rek mu ñibbi abi tamit ñu ngi koo jaajëfal abi moom wax naa leen ne abi dinañ ko andi si yaa fi toj bi moom it toog leen rek dinañ ko fi invite di jaajëfal suma xarit bi nee na gale moom it tey make up na ma tey moom fayu ma firi la ma make up xam nga Gambien bi rek cheap rek di leen a wax rek ne saa su nekk rek soo leen bëggee xam gis ñu Gambien bi di def rek ñëw leen seetaan leen yaa fi toj si Voice Out Digital ñun Voice Out Digital li ngeen bëgg rek la ñuy def foo leen ñu oote ñu uyu leen xanaa ba Sénégal sax soo leen ñu waxee ñu dem filmer fa ñu dem fa xanaa xam ngeen di leen a wax thank you so much ba beneen yoon I am your host Tida DK Badji thank you ciao.
maa ngi yëngu si yëfi modeling.
képp ki nga xam ne am na foo toj rek dinañ la invite fii si Voice Out Digital nga wax ñu foo toj.
artistes yi ak yéen designers yi foog ma dugal leen si tuuti parce que yéen.
fi toj nag du sëw bu ndaw.
like dooree am time pour sa boppa obvious góor bu am patient rek moo mun
yaa fi toj.